despite having plenty of time to react, ends up road raging with it. He later stresses that it's best to avoid escalation. You never know who might be a psychopath.
Got a problem?
You're trying to kill me. That's the problem. I'm saying you got a problem. You're trying to kill me, bro.
Just making sure.
I'm trying to say, bro.
You right there. You got a problem.
You're the one with the problem, dog. You're trying to kill somebody and you're holding up traffic.
Don't do that shit around here, Brody.
I live around here, bro.
So do we.
I do what I want around here. I'm riding safe. You're out here pulling out in front of people, bro. Right, let's go.
According to the NHTSA, defects or foreign objects on the road cause about 2 to 5% of all motorcycle crashes. So always scan ahead. When the biker took a right turn, he lost control and low-sided. The rider claims an oil patch was to blame. But do you think this was the reason of the crash, or was something else that caused it? Let me know what you think in the comments. Luckily, the biker's full gear saved him from any injury, and he was able to continue his ride. In Dallas, Texas, a group of dirt bikers were riding through everything. But then they were chased by the police. I do not promote or condone any of these actions. Always follow the law and stay safe.
Yep, that's me. You're probably wondering how I ended up in this situation.
You should never go between those big trucks. One small mistake and you could end up under them. Rather pass the truck safely from the left. I really thought the cop was about to say something, but he said nothing to the rider. In Baja California, Mexico, a group of American riders were participating in a group ride. Authorities often frown upon these large gatherings as they can lead to traffic disruptions and reckless riding. In response, this police vehicle blocked the group and forcefully intervened, causing several riders to crash and get detained by Mexican authorities. Additionally, many bikers were seen hiding their license plates, which raises even more red flags for law enforcement. Remember, riders, always follow local traffic laws, respect the authorities, and avoid unnecessary confrontations. If you're riding in a foreign country, understand the rules and be prepared for stricter enforcement. Reckless behavior can lead to legal trouble, fines, or worse, serious injuries. Ride smart, ride safe. This Dutch rider is traveling across the globe on her bike. She has already traveled through 70 countries without trouble, but the moment she set foot in Nigeria, a corrupt officer brought her journey to a halt.
How are you?
Hello.
Hello?
How is everything?
Everything is fine.
From where?
Netherlands.
Eh?
Netherlands.
See now what you want to give me? Oh yeah, give me something. Oh yeah, give me something now. Give me something.
You give me something.
give me money. Money.
Money. Why?
Give me.
Why? Okay. Okay, bye-bye.
They let her go when they saw our camera, realizing they could land in serious trouble. But even though they didn't take any money, the video went viral, and that's when the trouble started. The officers were stripped of their uniforms and dismissed by the state police after attempting to extort a bribe from a foreigner. In China, we have a classic example of target fixation. Trust your bike, look through the turn, and keep your eyes on the exit path. Where your eyes go, your bike will follow. Luckily, the biker was fine and did not sustain anything. Remember guys, always wear your gear. I know I repeat this many times, but it really is important in order to avoid anything serious. In Albany, New York, a group of bikers exiting Interstate 87 at exit 6 was mistakenly stopped, while the rider, the one the police were actually seeking, was heading the opposite way entering this interstate.
My shit. Don't touch my. I'll turn it off.
Turn it off.
I said don't touch. Give me my shit. Yo. What bro? Yo. Give me my shit.
Sit back
Did
on
you
the
see
bike.
me commit a crime?
I got a report to you.
Did you
Who's the
see
other
me
one?
commit a
Took off.
crime?
Who's the other one that
Did
just took
you?
off?
Did you,
Sit.
trooper?
You want to get arrested?
You want him? You really?
Turn around.
I want my.
You're gonna
keys.
get him back.
I didn't do.
Took off on me.
I
Doesn't
didn't
matter.
do.
Turn your bike off.
My You got no right, bro. I didn't break the law.
Where are you supposed to be parked?
I didn't
Are you parked
break.
behind the stop line?
No,
Or
you
broke
just
the
did
law?
that.
You
You
broke the
just
law.
did that.
You
It's
broke
on
the law.
video.
I'm fine with it on video.
Yeah.
And I'll seize it for evidence. This
No, you
didn't
won't.
break any crimes.
See it.
Sit
You're
down.
too wide.
All right, you know what?
No.
Put your hands behind your back.
No,
Put your hands behind your back. You're getting detained.
I didn't do
You're getting detained.
Dude, get my helmet off.
You're getting detained.
Let me get
Stop
my...
resisting.
I'm not. I what? Bro, you're
Failing
making
to
me
identify
claustrophobic.
himself.
Call Trooper Donovan. Call Trooper
Stop
Donovan.
resisting.
I'm not. I'm not resisting. I want my helmet off.
Doesn't matter.
Dude, I'm claustrophobic.
Get in the back of the car.
I'm claustrophobic.
What's your name?
Michael Donovan.
Michael?
Yeah, Trooper Donovan's cousin.
I don't care.
Okay, I didn't
Come
do
back
anything.
up here. Oh, you're not parked behind the stop
Jesus,
line.
man, are you
Sit
kidding
right
me?
here.
The
Sit right
sensors
here.
never pick us up.
Doesn't matter.
Bro, please take my helmet off. Grab the straps right there. Pull them out to the sides. Please. Yo, I'm freaking out, bro. Bro, I'm claustrophobic.
Here? Yeah, you were stopped before the light turned green.
Bro, I'm claustrophobic.
I don't know. I
I can't breathe. No, get thing off. I've been saying it for 2 minutes.
You need to...
I'm claustrophobic.
Relax.
Please get my helmet off.
Relax.
I can't, bro.
Relax.
It's done.
Relax.
Get it the off my head. Get it the
All
off.
right, someone...
Bro, I'm freaking the out. No. Undo me.
Stop moving around.
Bro,
I don't know who you think you are.
get it off. Man. Oh, shit, I can't breathe.
As of right now, we need to know who this other guy was that just took
I have no idea, bro. We were coming up the highway. My wife's down the road. What crime, though?
Donovan? Mike, hey,
Oh, my God.
get over here.
Bro, I'm not running. Are you serious?
Donovan, what is your first name? What is your first name?
Can I get my phone?
What is your
It's
first
my
name?
wife, dude, when we ride
What is
motorcycles.
your first name?
Michael.
You're getting arrested for
Michael.
obstruction if you don't stop.
Dude, I'm trying to... When
What's your
you
date
ride
of
a
birth?
motorcycle,
What's
bro...
your date of birth?
My wife.
What is your
It's
date
on
of
a
birth?
motorcycle.
What is your date of birth?
33079. Bridge. Get
What?
down here, ASAP. I'm handcuffs. Call Chucky.
What was your date of birth?
I gave it to you.
You didn't say it right.
It's
Handcuffs. He did nothing. You did more wrong than he did, bro.
Trooper Cusack unlawfully seized Mr. Donovan's key, and when he demanded answers, he was threatened with arrest, raising serious concerns about this